Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we will learn 100 simple English questions, answers, and dialogues that you can use every day. These are perfect for beginners who want to speak English confidently at home, school, or outside. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. So, stay with me, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's start learning English in a fun and simple way. What is your name? My name is Sarah. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. Where is the bus stop? It is near the market. How much is this? It is 200 rupees. What is this called? This is called a pen. Can I ask you something? Yes, you can ask. Do you like this? Yes, I like it. Is this good? Yes, it is good. Where do you live? I live in Karachi. Do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen. Can I borrow this? Yes, you can. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. How do you say this in English? You say it like this. Can you show me? Yes, I will show you. Who is this? This is my brother. What is happening? Nothing, just talking. Where are we going? We are going to the park. Can I come with you? Yes, you can come. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Do you know her? No, I don't know her. Where is the shop? It is next to the school. What is inside this? There are books inside. Can you open it? Ali, yes, I can open it. Ahmed, how do I do this? Zara, first you do this, then this. Ali, when is your birthday? Sarah, my birthday is on 5th May. Raza, what is today? Ahmed, today is Monday. Sarah, can I eat this? Ali, yes, you can eat it. Ahmed, do you like tea or coffee? Zara, I like tea. Ali, can I sit here? Sarah, yes, you can sit. Raza, where is the toilet? Ahmed, it is at the end of the hall. Sarah, is it far? Ali, no, it is near. Ahmed, can you wait? Zara, yes, I can wait. Ali, are you busy? Sarah, no, I'm free. Raza, can I speak with you? Ahmed, yes, you can. Sarah, what do you want? Ali, I want water. Ahmed, how do you feel? Zara, I feel happy. Ali, what is your favorite color? Sarah, my favorite color is blue. Raza, where are you going? Ahmed, I am going to the market. Sarah, do you have a phone? Ali, yes, I have a phone. Ahmed, can you call him? Zara, yes, I will call him. Ali, who is your friend? Sarah, this is my friend Ahmed. Raza, what is your job? Ahmed, I am a teacher. Sarah, do you want water? Ali, yes, I want water. Ahmed, can I help you? Zara, yes, please help me. Ali, is this yours? Sarah, yes, it is mine. Raza, where did you go? Ahmed, I went to the park. Sarah, can I see it? Ali, yes, you can see it. Ahmed, what is this for? Zara, this is for writing. Ali, how much time? Sarah, it takes 10 minutes. Ahmed, is it cold? Zara, yes, it is cold. Ali, is it hot? Sarah, no, it is not hot. Raza, what is your hobby? Ahmed, I like painting. Sarah, can you write this? Ali, yes, I can write it. Ahmed, how do you spell it? Zara, it is spelled A-L-I. Ali, where is your home? Sarah, my home is near the school. Raza, who is there? Ahmed, my mother is there. Sarah, can I talk to you? Ali, yes, you can talk. Ahmed, do you understand? Zara, yes, I understand. Ali, what is your favorite book? Sarah, my favorite book is Harry Potter. Ahmed, can you read this? Zara, yes, I can read it. Ali, what is inside the bag? There are pencils inside. How is the weather? It is sunny. Is it raining? Yes, it is raining. Is it sunny? No, it is cloudy. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Happy Song. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. Where is the school? It is near the park. Do you have a bicycle? Yes, I have one. Can I ride it? Yes, you can ride it. How do you cook this? First, boil water, then add rice. What is your favorite dish? I like chicken curry. Can you give me this? Yes, here it is. What is the time now? It is 5 p.m. Where is the hospital? It is near the bus stop. Who is the teacher? Mr. Ahmed is the teacher. Do you like this movie? Yes, I like it. Can I watch with you? Yes, you can. Ahmed, what is your favorite game? I like football. Ali, can you play with me? Yes, I can play. Ahmed, how do you go there? I go by bus. Ali, is it near or far? It is near. Can I follow you? Ahmed, yes, you can follow. What is this sound? Ali, it is a bell. Ahmed, who is calling? My friend is calling. Ali, can you help me find it? Yes, I can help. Ahmed, do you want to come? Yes, I want to come. Ali, can I join you? Yes, join me. How are your parents? They're fine. What is your favorite fruit? Ali, I like mango. Ahmed, can I have some? Yes, you can have some. Ali, where is the nearest shop? It is near the park. Ahmed, do you want to eat now? Yes, I want to eat. Bob, you just learned 100 simple English questions and dialogues for daily life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these questions with your friends, family, and neighbors every day.